We have to think spiritually. We keep trying to do things in the manner that standard human beings do things in a 3D world. But that's not the way we operate, everyone. If we do not inwardly change authentically, divinely, spiritually, we cannot change anything in our outer environment, nor can we influence change in anyone meaningfully in our outer environment. We don't inspire change by beating someone over the head with words, with bribes, by force. That's not how we do it. We do it by actually being a vessel, a divine vessel that serves, or who serves as a real life model for what that authentic divine change actually looks like in real time. And it is from that real, changed and evolved and ascended being that I shay to influence meaningful and lasting change in others is birth via behaviors including, but not limited to, psychic projections, words spoken, emanations from the heart, and affections from the soul. That is how we get our outer world to change, and others around us whom we share it with to change as well, or be inspired to change. It's not by running your mouth. That's why if you're not doing your work and you're trying to tell somebody else what they need to do spiritually, you should just be quiet. You should just be quiet, because you weaken your argument for change. Your most profound and poignant argument and leverage for influencing and inspiring someone else to divinely change is going to be the vessel of you. That's the strongest, most poignant, most authentic. It's your own vessel, and what you have done, struggled through, triumphed through, and victored in the end, or in the process, to be able to place before the divine being or the divine essence of the other or others standing before you. Aboru, aboye, aboshishe.